Hello guys, welcome back to my official video channel, that is Olympus Mons, and today I have brought another Hitapp solution. So let's go directly to the screenshots of the solution. Okay, so what's the name of the Hitapp? So that is add a good match to the search query. So first, if you get this one, Thermo Fisher Scientific, so click other because it is providing other competitor website, not this one. So you can see in the search box, results is the Thermo Fisher itself, but it is giving another competitor website. So don't go for this. So select other. Second, by marble floor tiles. So again, it's a good ad. So Lowe's that provides, it's a company that provides marble floor tiles, so it is a related one. So user is looking, it's a search engine is giving ads, that is what the user is looking. Second, hepatitis B, the user wants to know more about hepatitis B, but here it is result is about hepatitis C, so it is other. Okay, so select other. Next, flipping houses bathroom vanity. Because of this, what the result is, all the vanities are given in these images, what the user is wanting, but what the ad is showing is freedom meter, it is something else. So select other. So you can see this, my judgment is correct, so select other. So Morgan Sun, so I was actually wrong in this, so do not select other, select it is a good ad. Right, so it is a good ad, select good ad, not other. Okay, next, dental mouthwash that fixes teeth. So again, I was correct here, so you can see this, I select other and it is right, so select second option, that is other. Okay, so next, Omaha Steaks, I was unfortunately wrong in this, so select good ad, the soft gourmet gifts. So Amazon is providing what the user is in need, so select good ad, not other. Okay, let's go to next. Injury lawyer near me, so this ad is providing all the lawyers near the user, so select good ad, I was right in this. Okay, so select a good ad, not the other. Okay, Divorce Papers California, so this company, this website is providing online divorce papers, so also I was correct, so select good ad. Okay, so you can see this here. Next, ATVs, that's all-terrain vehicles, so user is searching about these ATVs and this website is providing information about these all-terrain vehicles, so select good ad. Okay, so it's correct in this. So next, Flights Atlanta for Seal.org. So this website, Expedia, that provides all the information about the flights between this Atlanta, Forts, and Silk. Okay, so I was right. Select good ad. Healthscape.com. This is a navigational query. So directly, user wants to go directly to the Healthscape, but this ad is providing another website. So select other. So it is not a good ad. What is the computer virus? The user wants to know about the computer virus, but this one is providing antivirus software, so select other. This user search term is in different language, but I chose this because this result is in English, but do not select this, select other. I was wrong. Okay, Royal Caribbean, select good ad, right, direct navigational, and I was successful. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.